Laurie Hernandez is an American artistic gymnast. She was born in Old Breeze Township, New Jersey, the daughter of Wanda and Anthony Hernandez, both from Puerto Rico. She attended Abaca Academy High School in Old Breeze, New Jersey. She has a sister, Jelissa, and a brother, Marcus, who graduated from Rutgers University in 2018. She is of Puerto Rican descent. In February 2021, Hernandez made her return to elite gymnastics at the 2021 Winter Cup, competing in two events. Despite competing a downgrade floor routine, Hernandez managed to hit a clean beam routine to finish fifth on the event behind Sky Blakely, Jordan Childs, Senisha Lee, and Connor McLean. Hernandez was the one of five gymnasts featured on the Peacock docuseries Golden, the journey of US's elite gymnasts. In June, Hernandez competed at the 2021 US Championship. She competed in beam and vault. Hernandez had to withdraw from the competition after hyperextending her left knee in balance beam warm-ups. Hernandez had her knee heavily wrapped. She was not added to the national team and she did not qualify to compete at the upcoming Olympic trials. Hernandez has appeared on season 23 of Dancing with the Stars in 2016, where she won the competition along with partner Val Chimoruski. Hernandez hosted the first season of American Ninja Warrior Jr. as the on-course reporter and starred as Valeria in the Nickelodeon animated miniseries Middle School Moguls. She is the author of two books, I Got This to Gold and Beyond, a New York Times bestseller, and She's Got This, a children's book. During her debut era as a senior gymnast, she competed as a member of the US Women's Gymnastics team, dubbed the Final Five at the 2016 Summer Olympics. Ultimately, the US won gold in the team event. In the individual events, Hernandez earned the silver medal on the balance beam. She returned to training in late 2018 and expressed interest in making a comeback to earn a spot on the US Women's Gymnastics team for the Tokyo Olympics in 2021. In 2014, Hernandez committed to the University of Florida to compete on the Florida Gators gymnastics team in the NCAA. However, she decided to forego NCAA eligibility and become a professional athlete on August 3, 2016 in the lead-up to the Olympic Games. Hernandez made her senior debut in 2016 at the City of Jesolo Trophy in Jesolo, Italy, where the US team won the gold medal. Hernandez won the bronze medal in the all-round with a score of 58.550 behind two US teammates, fellow first-year senior Ragan Smith and Gabby Douglas, the 2012 Olympic all-rounder champion. She also earned a silver medal on vault and a gold medal on balance beam, ahead of Smith and 2012 Olympian Ali Raisman. Hernandez was then selected to compete at the 2015 International Junior Japan Meet in Yokohama, where she won the all-around floor exercise and vault and won silver medals on balance beam and uneven bars. Hernandez's first meet of the 2013 season was the Yoga Classic, won the silver medal in the all-around behind Meredith Sylvia.